Hello, and welcome to this tutorial on how to edit images for use in projects by using PowerPoint. Let's say you have a project you're working on and you have to edit some images for use in that project. Now, image editors can take a lot of time to learn how to use, but you might already have a program you can use to edit those images. That's where PowerPoint comes in. Here's an image, a map, that we want to go ahead and draw attention to. I'm going to go ahead and open up PowerPoint, drag this map in. I'm going to go ahead and resize it. Now the size of the slide is going to be the size of the image. If I wanted to go ahead and keep the original size of the image, I would have to resize the size of the PowerPoint presentation itself. Okay, once you've got this image in here, it's really a pretty easy thing to do. You just go ahead and start using PowerPoint's tools to edit that image. Let's say I want to go ahead and draw attention to a particular region on this map. I can go Insert, Shape, and I'm going to get a circle here. Draw it over northern Italy. Now I can format that to whatever color I like. I'm going to go ahead and put it slightly transparent. Go ahead and change the line color just to jazz it up a little bit here. Change the thickness of that line. And close. Alright. Okay. Now I'm going to go ahead and insert an arrow here. Shape. Pick out the arrow that I want. I'm going to edit the text and say Northern Italy. I'm going to rotate that, move it to a new location, make some other changes. I want to make this a different color, so I'm going to once again edit it, make it that nice red color there. And that font's just a little too small for me, so I'm going to make that larger. Now I need to resize my arrow. Okay, so once I'm done with the image here, I've got something that I'm going to use in my project. I'm going to go ahead and save it. You're going to save it by going File to Save As. You want to go ahead and give it a destination and a name. I'm just going to call this map. And then here's where you want to go ahead and pay attention. Save as type. We're not saving it as a PowerPoint this time. We're going to go ahead and save it as a PNG, a PNG, and hit save. Now you could save it as a JPEG as well. The problem with JPEGs is oftentimes the text will come out fuzzy and it's going to be a slide you're not going to want to use. Now it's going to ask you, do you want to do every slide or current slide? I only have one slide in this show, so I'm just going to click current slide only. Otherwise it would do all of them as, image 1, 2, 3, and so on. Okay, let's go check it out and see what that image looks like. Now that's a PNG image I can go ahead and import directly into any of my projects. Pretty easy to go ahead and edit an image that way. Okay, now before we go ahead and close out of the PowerPoint, if you wanted to save this, you could save it, and then if you ever need to make changes to your image, it'd be really easy to do so. You just pop up on PowerPoint, make a modification or two, resave the image, and then you're good to go. You don't have to start all over to do that. That's all there is to it. Thanks so much for watching this tutorial.